What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. All right, now, man, y'all seen that title, y'all seen that thumbnail. I got something special for y'all. This is probably one of my sleeper favorite pickups from All-Star Weekend. Like, not a sleeper as in like people not looking for them, but I didn't know I was gonna like these joints this much, man. Got the black box, and they brought it back to, you know, the 2000s with this joint, man. We got the Jordan face on the box. Tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Black Fire Red Deep Royal Blue, size 8.5, man. Like I said, by the time I got into the Jordan event, I had to stop by Union first to pick up my sneaker passes, man. So when I got to the Jordan event, the line was all the way down the block, across the neighborhood, around the corner, through the bridge, under the bridge, you feel me? It was back there. So by the time I got into the event, by the time my band ended up turning green, biggest size they had left in these was 8.5. It's all good. I'll have them on release day. Mark my words. It's just a teaser for me, a teaser for y'all, man. Let's check these joints out. Now inside the box, it flips up to white with the red Jumpman and black Flight. Got the regular cement print on the paper, man. Nothing special there. Let's check them out, man. Let's see what these joints are hitting for. Now here we have the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air 2025. Now of all the All-Star Weekend releases, man, I think this one was the earliest pair. This one is scheduled for August the 2nd, unless they make some changes. I don't know. It was supposed to release earlier. It ended up getting pushed back to August. But with them releasing it in February, I think this one's gonna come out sooner rather than later, but we'll see. As of now, the only release date we have is August the 2nd. Let's check out this shoe, man. Check out these materials. It's a good one, man. It's a good one. Y'all gonna like this one, trust me. Now, starting with the front of this shoe, man, this joint comes laced in like a premium, low nubuck, low suede material. This feels like that All My Man Year 4 maroon pair. This is exactly the same material that they used on that joint, going all the way around in that black. Then they have like this off noir suede coming across here, and it has like some, you know, some brushing on that suede, really going across that toe cap. It has the gray going across here on the front, looking like a Bread 4-ish. Kind of has like military blue hits. I'm not sure if they did this like a What the 4 style where they got all of these colors from, but I don't know. This is like a Bread 4 on the midsole. Got some nice gray anthracite, off black, off noir suede going across. You can see that toe box is shaped kind of like that SB4 or that Bread 4 reimagined. So this is definitely one of the newer fixtures onto the Jordan 4 build. This is that newer style to that joint. I'm getting to the side of the shoe, man. It has the blue hit here, and everything else is like a Bread 4 on the midsole, but they went with the sail instead of white back here. Got that all black, low suede, low nubuck hit, feeling like those Man Year 4s. Has a red lace hole here, black wing and lace hole going across the back of this joint. All blue going across the interior, blue guts. Getting to the back of the shoe, man. They went with a blue Nike Air tab with like a gray Nike Air writing, black sail and red going across the back hits on the midsole and outsole. Same thing on the inside, that same nice premium material, black hit, red hit, gray going across the toe cap, man. I think this is a really good shoe. And I'm knowing for a fact, man, this one will definitely sell out. This is gonna be a good one. Now get into that outsole, man. They went with the red across the back and across the front, the blue pod in the middle, gray hit here, sail in the very middle of the shoe. Then with the blue Nike check and Nike embossed in this joint, man. Rare Air Jordan 4, man. They brought something back that we haven't seen in a long time. It's like that Tour Yellow series when they had the Rare Air Jordan 4s, but this one, they went with like more premium materials. I guess that was a premium leather shoe, so I can't say more premium, but we went with a premium material on this joint, man. They didn't short us. Now, as far as the tag, they did switch it up this time. They went with the Nike Air on the tag, but it's blue, the thin tag that they used, like the OG style tag, you know, thin, blue, something different for sure. Now, getting back to the front of the shoe, man, they have like the anthracite, like dark gray-ish color or matte black going across the lacing with black on the background. Black laces. Of course, it has the upside down tongue tag and Rare Air. On the inside, it's a gray hit, black tag with red Jumpman. And of course, the tag does come off. Now, I have been seeing rumors of if your tag comes off, right? And if your Jordan Rare Air is in gold, this is supposed to be a more limited pair. I'm not sure how true that is. And they have some pairs that came out in white. So I'm not sure if it was supposed to be gold and then some was white with factory flaws, or if it's really true that the gold pairs are supposed to be more rare, more valuable, or whatever the case may be. I know a lot of the people at All-Star were getting gold pairs, but I did see some white text pairs as well. So we'll see how that plays out closer to release, but nice touch there, man. The patch comes off. You can wear it to the side. You feel me? Just stick it here on the side. You can take it off, put it on right side up, put it on upside down, man. With the Velcro, they give you that freedom to be a little more creative and, you know, kind of add your own flavor to it. Nice touch here on this joint, man. But leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Let's check out the right shoe and see what other extras and goodies came with the shoe. Now, getting into that right shoe, just the same as the left. Has the all black low suede going across the toe and all across the sides and backs of the shoe. Same material on the majority of the upper, but the toe cap is lacing like a dark gray, like off noir type of suede. It does have some brushing motion, so a nice material there. Same gray and red going across the toe cap of the midsole. Has the sail going across the back, gray hit here, black hit here on the back. Same thing, all black across the upper. Has the red hit here for the lace hole, all black wings, all black lace holes up top. Get to the back of the shoe, of course, it has the Nike Air in blue and gray. The red, black, and blue really hits. I didn't like these at first, on first look, but the more I kept looking at them, I'm like, okay, I like them. I think I like them. I think I like them. And when I seen them in hand, I'm like, okay, yeah, these the ones, man. That sail midsole is really what brings the whole shoe together. I'm glad they did that, like really hard sail, not that very soft, subtle. When they try to barely age it, I like this very aged sail color on the midsole. It fits the shoe really well. Same materials on the inside with the gray hits, black all the way around, man. Same thing here, all black, dark gray, matte black going across the netting, all black on the back of the netting. Black laces factory installed, man. It does have the Jumpman removable tab here. Let me make sure this one is gold as well. Yeah, so it's no mistake. I got gold on both of my shoes. Making sure they have gold on one and white on the other, man. So gold on the back of both of my tongue tags, man. So allegedly this is a more rare pair of the Rare Air. So we'll see how that goes, man. Jordan tag on this one. They put this one on up, right side up as you would a regular Jordan 4. Of course, gray inside, black tag with the Air Jordan written in red. And these joints did come with some extra laces, man. Now these laces are like those, I'm not sure if anybody has the, what is the name of those shoes? The Cactus Plant Flea Market Blazers. It's kind of like a slightly fuzzy looking material, but it doesn't really feel like that. But they are slightly like discolored a little bit with these laces, man. So it's not like a true blue, it's like a bleached-ish color, giving it like an aged look, man. So I think these will look good in the shoe if you want to bring that blue out. So definitely a nice touch there. Something different from Jordan brand. I haven't seen them use any kind of lace like this style, at least not yet. But I'm pretty sure if this is a hit, we're gonna see this used over and over and over again with different styles and different Jordans. But comes in the box, blue laces for extras, no other extra laces, so just black and blue. Then on the insole of these joints, man, all blue insole with the white Rare Air and the red Nike sign. And I'll get a picture of the insoles and add them to the video as well, man. But y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Are you a fan of the removable tags, man? Are you a fan of the colorway? The material is definitely nice. If you like Almamier, you always giving them credit for nice material shoes. You're gonna love this one, man. Good quality, good shoe. Let's check out some other details about these joints, man. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, I was able to grab these joints early at All-Star Weekend. Not scheduled to release until August as of now. I think it'll be sooner, but August. So 6 months early, Jordan brand Nike. Y'all showed out with a 6-month early shoe. Good one though, it's a good one. I like these a lot. Retail on this joint is $225. It's like $250 out the door, give or take a little bit with taxes. So a $250 shoe. Did they come with the quality? Yes. Did they come with the extras? Yes. Is it worth a $25 increase? Is it worth $200 to begin with? Maybe not. Am I paying it? Absolutely. Good shoe. It's worth it to me. It's only worth what you're willing to pay for it. I'm gonna pay that for these joints. This is one of them ones, man. This is a good shoe. I hope they continue this series. I hope they don't go too crazy and just go all wow with a million colorways of these joints, but this one is a good one. They had the Rare Air Jordan 1 as well. Wasn't really a fan of that colorway. It looked like Union-ish, but not quite a Union. Didn't really gravitate toward that one, but this Jordan 4 is a good one. And as far as resale, with these joints being 6 months early, the resale price is a little inflated. You can see these for about $600 to $700 to $800 depending on the size. But like I said, it's really early, and we won't know the real price until these joints drop. Do I think they will resell? Absolutely. I can see these going for that $300, $350 mark on release day. Release day probably like around $280 to $300 depending on how many pairs, but this is gonna be a $350 to $400 shoe. It's a good one, it's an easy wear, it's great materials, and this one will be well received by the sneaker community without a doubt, man. Like no question at all. Now as far as quality and quality control, man, I mentioned earlier the materials are there, the QC is there on the pairs that I've seen. I did see that there are some with the gold and some with the white, like I mentioned earlier. Gold is supposed to be a little bit more limited. We'll see how that factors into the resale price, but quality is there without a doubt. If you like Manier, and we're giving them so much praise for that maroon Manier 4 and all of the Jordans that they've been doing, this quality is right up to par with it, and it kind of speaks to why Nike did the same price tag as a Manier. They did good with this one. Don't expect to be cheaped out on by the quality of this shoe. This one will be a good one. Good suede, good nubuck, good suede, good materials, good paint jobs. I don't see any flaws, and on a handful of pairs that I've seen, they were all good, man. So be able to buy these joints with confidence, man. Expect to buy these joints and have a good shoe in hand. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Air Jordan 4 Rare Air, man, with the removable Velcro tags on the tongue, man. I think this will be a good shoe. Definitely gonna be a sellout. Definitely will be a hit everywhere around here. Sneaker shows, where there's wearing or reselling. This one is gonna be a good shoe. If it's August, it's gonna be great back to school shoe for the kids. It's majority black, so it'll be an easy wear. Good shoe, man. No question at all. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints, man. Early look. Let me know if you plan on copping these joints in August or whenever they do decide to drop an official release date. Let me know if it's a cop or a drop. Are you dripping, flipping, skipping, man? Just leave your honest review down below and let me know how you're feeling about these joints. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air August 2025 release. We'll see how this go when they come out. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're looking forward to these. And good luck whenever these joints do decide to drop. Jordan, Nike, give us a release date soon so I can get my size 11.5, 12, because I'm not paying that crazy price tag. But like I said, until next time on the next video, Air Jordan 4 Rare Air 2025, man. Peace.